Hello everyone! If you're interested in checking your recently watched Instagram Reels, you're in the right place. Instagram offers a feature called Instagram Reels Watch History, allowing you to find and rewatch the reels and videos you've previously viewed. In this video, we'll show you how to access your Instagram Reels Watch History so you can find and rewatch the content you liked or saved. To see the Instagram Reels that you've liked before, follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, open the hamburger menu by tapping on the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on your activity option. Select Likes to access a list of all your liked reels and posts on Instagram. Finally, browse through the list to find the reel you wish to rewatch and tap on it to play. To find the Instagram Reels that you saved before, follow these steps. Open the Instagram menu by tapping on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Saved option to view all your saved reels and posts on Instagram. Browse through the list to locate and rewatch your favorite Instagram reel. That's how you check and access your Instagram Reels watch history. We hope this video has helped you find and rewatch Instagram Reels and videos that you've enjoyed in the past. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.